Hello my friends, I showed this device in my another review, another things about months ago, and now I want to show you it's more detailed. You will see what we have here. Two sizes 45 and 50 millimeters. We will see it with different wicks, and here what we have: firestarter and tinder. How to very easy customize your Victorinox and add the firestarter there. So let's talk about it right now. I have a lot of wicks and I don't like this tool inside because I don't need it, because I don't understand how to really use it in any wicks like Classic SD, like Tourist, like Range Grip. Absolutely useless. So also what I have, this device from Miltech. You see that's really big, heavy. Couple times I used it in my outdoor activities. After I bought it about $20, and sometimes I see those type device on AliExpress for $5, maybe $7, but they have only the element and all this part from ordinary steel which are not useful for really using from get fire. This one is full size, this button. So how it work? For example, on Victorinox Tourist I customize it most of all. First we have those device here. It is with light accumulate white and light in dark. Here one, and this one tinder. You see what's inside. It's for fire start. It can be used parts of it for once or twice or even for 3 times if you don't have anything other, and in the same time part of it you can get for next time. Here we have range grip. There is little another story. So 50 millimeters would be little too much, and you should get some part of it, but it's hard material. When I try to get some part, I get too much, but now fine. When it one more moment. I put one for weeks my wife. It's Classic SD about months ago. Now I want to shoot this video review. I started and no device. It can be lost. It's not perfect. Also when it is useless, Alox, and this one premium model of Classic SD. You understand, no holes for those tools and you cannot use it. That's easy to understand. So let's see how it works. I will show you and we will continue talks. There are a lot of different customized wigs, cause it's a really cool knife. Any model in Rage Grip, Classic SD, Tourist, and a lot of other masterpieces of knives, but it's little too hard to customize it. For example, you can place titanium here, and it would be not cheap to do it, and in the same time you can use this device, make your knife more interesting, more multifunctional. With light here, it would be light in the dark and easy to find your knife, and you don't need any tools to change it. So I think it can be interesting for you, for any guys who have a lot of wigs. In description I will left link where you can buy it, and also will left links for my review of it. Also in those my review, in text you can find hyperlinks for review, for example Range Grip, Alox, Tourist, Classic SD, and in near future would be review of this small keychain knife with wood here. It's like premium segment of Victorinox knife. What do you think about it? Alox little too expensive, but it's other knife. So that's all. If you are interested in my reviews, you can put like, subscribe for my channel. You will see a lot of new reviews: Benchmade, Microtech, SOG, Work Sharp, Nightcore, Alight. I have a lot of different devices which would be new reviews a little later. So that's all. Hope it would be useful for you and you find a lot of new info about those two devices. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, as I said, all links are in description, and bye bye.